Took the patience and prayers and believed that her wish will someday do come true. I remember announced that she was pregnant. I even said, Maray Ans, mas na-happy pa kami kasi baby girl na. Finally, with faith and patience in her heart, God answered her prayer. So He gave her the name Eilish Chris Anaya, which means po, Mami Tintin, Kuya AC, and Baby Austin. Bless this celebration be meaningful and enjoyable to everyone, especially to Anaya. Before we proceed to the main part of the occasion, may we call in the mother of our debutant, Mrs. Maria Cristina D. Conejos, to welcome us all today.
Good afternoon po, everybody. Today is the celebration of my apo, Anaya's birthday, 7th birthday. So, happy birthday to you. It has been such a pleasure watching you grow into an amazing young woman. You make me so proud every day, and I can't wait to say all the wonderful things you will do in this world.
Good afternoon, everyone. Wish ko po kadi mako apo ko po na permisa na yang magsunod kidari sa kaki mami para sa magayon niyang pangarap sa buhay. Yan lang po.
Yan na, pa-picture na kamo.
Next po, Ma'am Leia.
Hindi kinakala ko magtuod, talula kaya. Okay, happy birthday, Naying. Stay beautiful and sweet. I love you.
Thank you po, Lola. Ay, Cindy. Next, Tita Criselda D. De Los Santos.
Hello po, good afternoon everyone. Hi Naya, ang pwede na ba ni Naya ay, so for today, it's your 7th birthday. So happy birthday Naya, wish you all the best. Syempre dapat perming healthy sana and good girl. Nga ni Naya, stay sweet and kind. Love you and again, happy birthday.
Next, Tita Crisaline Lucy.
Ala, di ako prepared. Happy birthday, Naya. Stay kind.
Wish ko sa'yo, Anaya, makapagtapos ka sa pag-aaral mo. Good and health.
Okay, thank you po. Many ancient cultures believe that smoke carried... Next.
Naya from Ninong Jerry Sade. So, baka po kuno makaabot sila nga pa. Ako pa kaya sila mga importanteng inaagi. So, happy birthday daw.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Naya.
Good afternoon po. Anaya, happy 7th birthday. I wish ko sa iyo, sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral at
Tita Melissa.
birthday. Stay beautiful and kind. And
Ay, Salcedo. Wala rin. Leorx and Chris. Mga babies, kay Ate Anaya. Dali. Dali na. Faster. Happy birthday, Ate Anaya. Sit down muna doon. Next, Leona, Zina, and Salcedo. May na. Zina. Next, si Kobe P. Mojica. Saan si Kobe? Dapat. symbolic gifts. The gift is, what matters most is the thought. Ninang Julie T. Cedron.
Gift symbolizes.
Hello, Nai! Happy birthday! Ano symbolic ito kasi? Si Anaya po kasi. Anaya, mag-aaral mabuti ako. Yan, lagi lang na enjoy pag-aaral. Yan, laging sumunod kay mami at dad.
Happy birthday, Anaya. This simple gift represent the coolness of
Happy birthday, Anaya. Just like this sweet treats that I will give to you. Continue to be a sweet little girl to your family and friends. Happy birthday.
Gayan to na.
Again, a great woman when you grow up. Thank you.
Wow, nakabokay si Joans doon kay Anaya. Wow, thank you, Kuya Joans. Ay, thank you. Gab. Next, Leandro Gio. Message na kay Anaya. Ano gusto mo po?
Kami ni Leandro. Happy birthday and be good girl always. God bless. At lagi kayo magbabait sa klase, ha? Opo. Magbabait yan sa klase, Gio. Happy birthday!
Birthday, Anaya!
May we call on po na mapipopoto op po. Didiretso na po sa food station. These dresses are significant. At
Happy 7th birthday, Anaya. Wish ka lumaki ka ng maganda and I love you.
next, Erich Jillian. Next po. Yeah. Thank you, Ate Anaya. Ay, Ate Anaya. Ate Gail. Next po. Diesel Day Show.
Happy birthday, Anaya.
Next po, I thank you, Dishel. Next po, si... Kain na muna. Yung mga, plato.
Ikukuha na sana ko, no? Isend. So, adi, galing pa sa LBC, pinag-claim ko pa. Promise ko no din iyakan mo, arayo pa. O sa cake. Opo. Ba't na ngayon, di promise ko. Kaya, baga na sa nakita ka mga makukumong bills, amo? Sharean mo ko. Opo?
Ni Bertis. Happy birthday, Anaya. Makatulong sa gusto. Saka masunuring bata sa mami, daddy, lola, lolo, saka sa mga tito, tita. Opo, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. I love you. And that she will truly treasure this for the rest of her life. Start with Tito Mark Chan. Next, Tito Christian J. B. Derecho. At Chester. Sorry.
Happy birthday, Anaya. May this special day filled with fun and laughter, and have the best birthday in God bless.
Po, Anaya. Wish ko sana paglaki mo
Always, Tarasiona. Next, Jasmine C. Delantar. Ito sa Baras din, ka-playmate.
Hi, Naya. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Jasmine. O, picture na.
Ayos kayo mo.
Of turning 7, flowers often symbolize messages of forgiveness, purity, modesty, hope, beauty, and love. The 7 roses signify 7 very special gentlemen in the life of the debutant. Like side for the 7 dances. Nom di Nicolas, Ivan Andrew ay Amoroso. Next, Jairi Jen.
Ano itong tingin?
Isa-isa yan to. Rains, Clyde, Chinidong, Ivan Andrew, Jairi.
Happy birthday.
Picture na kayo, ayusin ng sarili.
Everybody stand up, pupunta muna kayo dito sa unahan. Sasamahan muna natin. Okay, thank you so much. Mahina! Alright, Waki! Hawaki tayo, Waki! Come on! Boses mo. Alright, Anaya, before you blow, pikit mo muna yung mata mo, Wish, before you blow. Everybody wait muna. Alright, close your eyes and count of 3 kids. Ready? 1, 2, 3, blow! Yay! Palakpakan! Okay, shout tayo. Happy birthday, Anaya! Hip hip!
May nasadi. Sabi daw ni Anaya, thank you siya sa isa lang na classmate na pumunta, si Gio Lanuzo. Ang upuan, pirmi niyang kalaro sa room. Sabi ni teacher niya, itong magtandem na ito, ang kulit sa klase, laging magkalaro. Laging habulan kasi sila po yung kinder pa kinder, nag-classmate po. So, ang puso na yan nakatunga. Sige na, Bibi.
Thank you po.
Yan na pa picture ka ba ito table. Video dito.